Welcome back to another video. After installing WordPress, your hands will likely be itching to get started designing your website. But before you do that, it is important to run through some basic settings in the dashboard and make sure everything is set up properly. In this tutorial, I will show you which settings you need to adjust in the WordPress dashboard after a new installation. I will explain everything step by step so that you know exactly what to do. To start off, I will briefly go through the general settings in the WordPress dashboard. Go to the left navigation menu and hover over Settings and click on General. At the top of the page you will see the fields Site Title and Tagline. You can use the fields to describe what your website is about. The site title and tagline are also displayed in the results of the search engines. So therefore make sure that the text you use arouses interest and also contain keywords where the website should rank on in the search engines. For this tutorial, I'm going to make an example website on the topic of luxury watches. To be more specific, I want to create an informative blog website with interesting information for people who love luxury watches. And in order to monetize the website, you could also add affiliate links, and in another tutorial I will explain this in more detail, but it comes down to promoting products for other companies in exchange for a commission. For example, you can promote products from Amazon, and if a visitor from your website clicks on the link and ends up buying something on Amazon, you will receive a commission. This way you can earn some extra money with your website, and there are plenty of examples of affiliates like myself who can make a full living from this. Besides Amazon, there are many different affiliate programs you can choose from. In another tutorial I will explain exactly what affiliate marketing is, which affiliate networks I use and how to earn commissions. But let's move on with the basic settings in the WordPress dashboard. In this case I adjust the site title to Top 10 Luxury Watch Brands Reviews. After that I adjust the tagline to Reviews to help you decide which luxury watch you need to add to your collection. To do keyword research you can use the free Google Keyword Planner if you have a Google Ads account, and I will explain exactly how you can do this in a separate tutorial. You can also use a premium keyword tool such as SEMrush, which has many more useful features compared to Google Ads. I will also explain everything about that in a separate tutorial. So make sure to check that out if you want to learn more about it. Now let's move on to the next fields, which is WordPress address and site address. In the previous tutorial we already added the S after HTTP in both fields to set up the SSL certificate. As explained, this provides the website with a secure connection, so make sure that's set up properly. If you want to, you can select a specific language for displaying the text in your WordPress dashboard. In this case I'll just leave it at English. After that you can choose how the time zone, date format and time format are displayed. In this case I will leave everything as it is, and now I click on Save Changes at the bottom of the page. So now that's done and we go back over to the menu, and you can see that below the settings option next to general there are a number of other options. I will briefly show you how it looks like and where to pay attention to, and also which settings you can leave at default. The first option is writing, and you do not have to do anything with this, and you can leave it on the default settings. Now click on Reading in the navigation menu, and over here you can select the homepage for the website when you are finished designing it. We will get to that later in the series, so for now you don't have to do anything yet. You can also leave the settings under Discussion and Media as they are. So now we go to the permalinks, and over here it's important that the post name option is selected. Usually this is already the case by default, but I always recommend to check this and make sure that post name is selected. The permalink settings determines how the URL of the pages and posts are displayed in the browser. With this setting, the post name is used after the domain name. By using relevant keywords in the title of your pages and posts, these are also automatically added to the URL. For SEO, it's better if you have relevant keywords in the URL instead of, for example, just a date or some random letters and numbers. The last option in the menu is privacy, and you can leave everything at the default settings over here as well. And those were all the basic settings we had to check and adjust before we go over to create the pages and posts for the website, and also install a free theme and some WordPress plugins. I will show you how to set this up quickly and easily, and then it's time for the fun part, and that is of course designing the website. Another thing I want to mention before finishing up this tutorial is that if you see a notification over here at updates, you can click on it to see what it's all about. Make sure that you have the latest version of WordPress installed, and if that's not the case, you can update it just by clicking the update button. At plugins over here there's nothing yet because I will explain everything about this in a separate tutorial, and we haven't installed plugins yet. And at the bottom of the page you will see if any updates are available for the themes. Theme updates can be ignored for now because I will delete those 4 themes anyway and install another theme later on. So for now you don't have to do anything with this because I will explain everything about WordPress themes in another tutorial in this series. I hope you found the video interesting and easy to follow. In the next tutorial I'm going to explain everything about setting up pages and posts for your website, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and also make sure to hit that notification bell so you stay posted when new videos are uploaded.